guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore Busties. Have you ever heard of Busties? Well, I have, and I've seen them on the ads for YouTube. So the owner of Busties reached out to me and asked me if I would do a video with their products. So that's what we're going to do today. If you would like to see what all they sent and how it works, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So I'm going to show you everything that comes in the Busties box. You get a how to apply brochure, and it tells you how to do it. You get silicone nipple covers, and then you get some pasties, your tape. So what I am going to show you today, okay, I'm going to lower you down just a little bit. So it says here, the first test is to apply the tape to your wrist and see if you have any kind of allergic reaction. Number 2, it says prep, make sure the skin is clean and dry and has to be free of all lotions, creams, perfumes, makeup, sweat, sunblock, party glitter, and edible chocolate body paint. Of course, you know we have that all throughout the house here. Let's see here. It shows you how to remove the back of your tape. As you can see, I have, it's a low cut top on, and you can wear it out to here, but I have pulled it together, and you can see from the side how low I have no bra on. So what we are going to do is we are going to cut a piece of tape. And I am going to cut a piece of tape about this far. So I want it down here. And I want to lift up the boob. I may have cut off too much. We will see. So I'm going to take this tape. And I am going to get it on my skin. So you can see the difference from this one. This one's down here, this one's up here, okay? And we're going to do the other side. You can tape from behind, you can actually tape them down if you wanted to. I'm just trying to show you that you can wear them with a low cut top, and you don't have to have a bra for the low cut top. Okay, I'm going to go inside of my shirt. And I'm going to lift the breast underneath. Now I'm going to pull my Busties tape up. Now, of course, if this was not a top that had covering, you would have to do it sideways, like this way to this way, but I can't because this is open right here. So as you can see, it has did a lift, and if I wanted to make it more noticeable, I could take a cut a piece like this off, and I will show you how I'm going to lift it even more. So I cut off 2 small pieces on this side. I'm coming over here to the side boob. So that lifts it even more. So what I did is I took a piece of tape from here to here and took care of the side boob. So I'm going to do the same thing here. So what I'm doing is bringing the breasts in. So I'm going to go over here to the side boob. I could do one more. And you know, that's about, you got enough tape here to practice. They show you a couple different ways of doing it. If you are sensitive, which I am not sensitive in my breast area, you would want to do all the steps that it gives you to keep the breast from getting irritated. So that is how we wear the Busties tape. I have pulled up my breasts without having to wear a bra. Now they seem more closer together, as before you seen there was a separation in my breasts. Now they are pushed together. And I did not use boob covers. I did not use the pasties or the silicone. I might need these for something during Halloween if I wanted to do body painting. These would be really nice to have. And the pasties, these would be very nice to have if you are doing some body painting this Halloween. I don't own a whole lot of low-cut tops and things like that because I really don't dress that way. You know, I'm a t-shirt and a jeans kind of girl, and I will wear a dress shirt once in a while. I found this shirt at the AmVets, I believe this was, and I bought it specifically so I could show you about the boob tape. So you can see it's brought my girls closer together and it has lifted them completely, and there is no pulling, no tugging, no discomfort in this whatsoever. Again, if you are sensitive, which it shows you how to do a test to see if you are sensitive. I did not, because I'm really not sensitive to this kind of stuff. But there's always a first time for everything, which I will let you know if anything was to occur. But yes, this is how you use the boob tape. You pull them babies up, and tighten them in. And now I don't need a bra to wear this shirt. I can wear it exactly how I have it on. So there we go. So let me know down below if you have ever heard of Busties. And I will leave my link to these from Amazon. You buy them straight from Amazon, so I'll leave my link down in the description. If you would like to try the Busties breast tape, the nipple covers, and the pasties, please make sure you click on that link. So guys, that is the end of this video. I know this was a different type of video I've never done before. I hope you appreciate that I done this for you. You know, I have never worn breast tape, so I thought, how hard could it be? So I thought, I'll try it out. I can do a video for everybody and show people how to use it without showing my breasts. So that's basically all you do. Just lift your stuff, put the tape down, and then pull it up and press the tape down. And then that's it. If you want to use your nipple covers, you have your nipple covers. You have your pasties right here. I'm really excited to try these. And but I'm gonna have to go find some different clothes to try those. Something that's more see-through that I would need the nipple covers for. But I will be hopefully showing them to you by Halloween. But if you like this type of stuff, please give that a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern woman from the South, well then please hit subscribe, ring that bell, and we'll be seeing you in the next video. So stay blessed.